Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting cooking with red palm oil now. Pick refined for mild flavor or unrefined for full aroma and measure 1-2 tablespoons per serving. Heat a heavy pan to medium, roughly 160-180 degrees, so the oil won't smoke instantly. Once the pan is hot, add the oil and let it melt and coat the surface. This releases color and aroma. Make sure to watch the oil. If it smokes, lower heat immediately. Begin by adding aromatics next, such as garlic or onions. Once the oil is shimmering, add aromatics like garlic and onion. Stir for 1-2 minutes to soften and infuse the oil. You want a gentle sizzle. Too hot burns them and ruins the oil's flavor. Push aromatics aside and add proteins or vegetables. Sear on medium-high for 2-3 minutes per side to develop color and caramelization. After browning, deglaze with 1-2 tablespoons of stock, water, or tomato to dissolve brown bits. This captures the full flavor. Continue to finish, taste, and adjust. Add salt, a splash of acid like vinegar or lemon, and a pinch of sugar to balance. Fold in delicate herbs or greens in the final 1-2 minutes so they stay bright. If you need a sauce, simmer briefly to meld flavors. If it feels oily, add a squeeze of acid to cut richness. Troubleshoot. If oil smokes or tastes bitter, remove pan from heat, let it cool, discard burnt bits, and use lower heat next time. Reduce temperature by 10-20%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.